In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a RDS instance inside of AWS. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to RDS like you usually would and then log into your account. Now from here, once you get inside of your home dashboard, you'll need to go up to the search bar and click in RDS like so, and under services there should be something called Aurora and RDS. Once from here, you'll simply need to click on it like so, and once from here you'll have two options. You can either configure an express configuration or you can create a full configuration. Personally, for this tutorial I'm going to choose the full configuration, and I highly advise you to do the same. Once from here you'll simply need to click create, and from here it should look something like this, where you can choose the engine option over here, and you can choose a mysql or any other option over here that AWS supports. Once from here, you'll simply need to scroll down, choose easy create, and go down more and choose the configuration, where you can choose the DB instance size, either production, dev, test, or free tier. For this tutorial, I'm just going to use the free tier. But from here, you'll also need to go down to DB instance identifier. And this basically means that this is the name of your RDS DB instance. From here, you'll simply need to rename it to however you seem fit. So let's just call it RDS test 1 for this tutorial. Once from here, you'll need to scroll down to the master username. And here you can add in a username for your administrator account inside of the DB instance. Once from here, you can also add credential management, where you can either choose managed in RDS secret manager or self-managed. You can also click here to auto-generate a password, or you can add a master password by clicking right here and then confirm your master password. Once from here, you'll need to scroll down, and then you'll also be able to set up an EC2 connection and view default settings for Easy Create. Once from here, you'll simply need to click create database, and once you've done that, you'll simply need to click create database, and then it'll take a couple seconds to create this specific RDS database. From here, as you can see here, now the databases will be popping up and it's creating database RDS test 1. From here, this can take approximately anything between a couple minutes to 15 to 20 minutes to create for you. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!